London, Paris, Rome, or Jamaica. Shopping free, still for free, you and me, laying on the beach.
What's up, Lazy Babies, Lazy Gang? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a unboxing with this brand called SilkSilky. This brand sent me some pajamas and a scarf and a scrunchie to show you guys their products. So I'm just gonna start off by showing you. So I would say I don't really wear pajamas, so it was like when they asked to send me these items, I was really excited because, you know, I don't wear pajamas. Like, I usually wear like a big t-shirt and underwear, or like some boxers and a little crop top to bed or something. Like, I don't know, like, but like now that I wear like these pajamas, sometimes I feel like a grown woman, if you know what I mean. I feel grown. I feel like, yeah, I feel like material girl. That's what it is. I feel like a material girl when I wear pajamas. Like, you know, like big t-shirts and everything. It's like, you know, when you live alone and stuff, like, you don't really care about how you go to sleep or whatever. But like when I'm in a relationship, I feel like I should wear like cute pajamas to bed, right? Or is that like too bougie? I mean, I'm bougie, so I guess this is the place I'll be shopping for my pajamas because I love the way they fit. So anyway, so I chose to pick this nude or tannish color. I'm gonna have the link in the description box. So I chose to pick this color, and I got this in the size medium because, you know, with silk products, it's usually like the top fits like tight, you know what I mean, like around the boob area, and the pants always be a little bit bigger. So yeah, I got them in a size medium, but look at it, it's like silky. I like it. They didn't really wrinkle that much. Like, once I put them in the washer and I didn't dry them, so, and they just came out normal. So I washed them, yeah. And so it also sent me a black scarf. So like, I don't know, like, I saw the girls tie it around their neck, but I don't do that. I mean, I would put it as like a headscarf because, you know, I'm black, and you know, that's just what we do. We tie our hair up at night. Well, that's what you're supposed to do, tie your hair up at night. But I mean, I feel like a lot of people tie their hair up at night. So yeah, yeah, so, and then, you know, silk products are good for your hair. Like, I used to have this silk pillowcase, but like I had silk sheets too, but I had to let it go. It wasn't for me. It just kept sliding off the bed, and it would get so hot. Just whatever. It just wasn't for me. Let's just say that. Yeah, so anyways, so this is the box it came in. Let me fix it right. So this is the box it came in. Isn't it cute? And then like it just opened with the products in there, and it came with like some cards. So just this, and you know, it came with a little quote. Yeah, and it's cute. My favorite color is pink, so anything pink I'm literally to die for. So I'm gonna have the link in the description box where you guys could order, and also I'm not sure how much percent off, but like a percentage off, so you guys can put my code in and you can get money off the item. And I'm gonna try on the silk outfit for you guys so you can see how cute it looks. Like, it's really cute. I really love it. Like, it's so cute. I filmed this video, and it came with a scrunchie too, but I filmed this video and I don't know what I'm about to say, but anyways, I'm laughing at one of my friends just texted me something crazy. Maybe I forgot that for her birthday, I don't know. Anyways, yeah, so anyways, let me try on this silky silk, like, feel the product. I don't think it's see-through. It's not see-through or anything. It's good quality. So for quality, I'd say 10 out of 10, because, you know, silk don't be right. But my favorite thing about it is the little straps. Like, it just gives me material girl. I want Chanel now boots that, yeah, if you know, you know. But the girls that get it, and the girls that don't, okay? But anyways, let me try it on and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so this is how it fits. It's a medium. Excuse my room, it's kind of dirty. So this is how it fits. This is the medium. It looks super cute. Booty jiggly. It's so horrible, but yeah, look, it looks so cute. But yeah, size medium. Medium. But yeah, so I recommend you know, let's say if I'm going to sleep, put the scarf on. Put the scarf on. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to your girl's channel. Road to 10K. I'm almost there. I'm at 9.8K followers on YouTube, Instagram. I'm already past that. But anyways, yeah, so give me the 10K, please, so I can feel like I'm doing shit with my life. I'm just kidding. But yeah, give me the 10K because, like, I'll just feel, just give me the 10K because I've been working so hard. I haven't been working that hard, honestly. But, like, I'm about to get back to working hard on my YouTube. So, stop playing with your girl because, you know, when I came hard that one summer, y'all felt me. I came hard that one summer. I only had YouTube for, like, I think I had YouTube for 2 summers. I had YouTube for 2 summers, maybe 1 summer. Yeah, I think I had YouTube for 2 summers. 2 summers. I think I had it for 2 summers, but this will be my 3rd summer or my 2nd summer. But my 2nd summer is going to be so elite. Like, I'm so excited because, like, I have so much, like, planned for my life once I finish in school in May. Like, it's just a total new bitch. Like, I'm so excited. But anyways, yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video.